In this video, we'll turn a shelf removed during the demo phase into a DIY custom shower pan. So we're gonna try flex paste. Question? Let's just get into it because I have no clue what I'm doing. Welcome to Bussing on a Budget. Here's about 20-ish minutes. I think we are going to go ahead and rinse with warm water now. All right, here is kind of a little bit of the after of the navel jelly. Definitely still see some brown orange spots, but you can see how it kind of like turns the metal white in the rusted areas. So we're gonna try to do a little bit of sanding. You're supposed to like paint within 24 hours of navel gelling it, so I'm a little bit on a time crunch. Here's how it looks post jelly, pre spray paint phase. So this is what we're now doing, spray painting with rust reformer. All right, round one with the rust reformer done, and then we let it dry. Back working on the shower pan today, and now that it has been derusted, I am working on sealing up all the holes to make it watertight. So we're gonna try flex paste. No clue, but we're gonna try it, and let's just get into it because I have no clue what I'm doing.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go.
Okay, the flex piece is working really well, but we ran out. So that was a bummer. This is a pound. I don't know. I don't really think too hard about how much surface area it's gonna cover when I buy things. It was probably like $7 to $10 for that. So I may need to get 2 more, and that is not the most budget-friendly product, but it is better than spending like $200 on a custom shower pan. All right, back with 2 more of these. They were actually $12.99 at Ace because that's the closest hardware store to us. And that was being on sale. They're actually $13.99. So I think in total on FlexPay so far, I've spent about $35-ish. So boo, but you learn.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
I'm back with another flex paste. I bought 2 more of these, so I think the count is up to 5. I'm hoping I won't have to use the 5th one, but I also didn't want to have to go back to Home Depot again, so I'm happy to go back to return it, not to buy another.
Go, 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 go.
Okay, we're already dipping into number 2, so we're not returning that one. Now we just spent so much money on flex paste, but that's okay.
Go, 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 go.
I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll call it what it is. It looks okay. Now that I like look at it as a whole, I'm like, it could just be this like textured shower pan that was purposeful. Question. My hope is that it's just fully sealed. That's really what we need it to do. The moment of truth. We're testing the water of the shower pan. That is upsetting. Got a leak. It's coming from somewhere.
Oh, it's coming from this hole.
Oh, thank gosh.
The overflow hole.
Oh, yay. That was really depressing.
I'm gonna turn that a little bit.
leave a little water in them to see if it like maybe hold it up and see if it leaks anymore. Definitely seems like something's leaking.
Yeah, so there's a leak in that corner. This apparently covers 37.5 square feet. So we should be able to get like 4 coats out of this.
We decided to go with Flex Seal as our final top layer for a smooth texture because we thought the textured result of the Flex paste would make it difficult to drain. And that's how we turned a shelf into a DIY custom shower pan. I think it'll work pretty well.
Agreed. Yeah, we'll be able to easily just like shimmy stuff right into the drain.
It was a long road to get here, huh?
Yeah. Now we gotta get it in there.
Was it worth it?
Sham's a little bit frustrated. Understandably, this is a very frustrating shower pan to put in.
Feeling very defeated on this shower pan. You'll have to stay tuned to find out.
Go, go.